Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena and today we have a full video about Sephora saving event. So honestly, I do remember the time when I was working at Sephora and we had so many different events and saving programs for employees specifically, and I wasn't really caring about the Sephora saving event much because we already had like 20+% off. It was 40% off for Sephora collection, and I really enjoyed all the discounts and gratis, but I'm no longer at Sephora, unfortunately. But so right now the Rouge membership is actually mattered for me a lot, and I was so happy to save that 20% off back in the time in April. All the goodies I got from Sephora, like it's a lot. It's a heavy box, and I'm so excited to tell you a lot about these products, share with you my opinions, and just in general what I got and how it works. So yeah, I'll probably start with the biggest one. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already using the shampoo and conditioner, so it's not inside, it's in my shower. But I saved the box, it's beautiful. It's HAIRCARE's shampoo and conditioner for blonde hair, and let me tell you something. I recently learned about my hair specifically because I finally found a perfect hairstylist who did this beautiful blonde highlights, I would say, but I'm about to be a lot lighter by the end of the summer, and I actually learned how to take care of this blonde like professionally now. And the first thing is you don't use your purple shampoo after every single wash. Yeah, did you know that? I did it, and guess what? I was using it after every single wash, and this was the biggest mistake I was making. And yeah, now I'm only using the HAIRCARE once a month, and it definitely, like, if you want your blondes, your highlights to stay as lighter as possible, you have to use it once a month. But wash your hair with a regular shampoo, which is also like professional branded one. Like, you don't want to like get yourself down because your hair is getting less moisture after, you know, highlighting it, and you have to make sure you keep that balance between keeping the color and keeping your hair healthy, if it makes sense. So talking about hair, I have a couple other things, important things here that helps my hair to get through all my experiments, and which is K18. I'm sure you heard of that brand. I have two products here. The one you already know, Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. And I haven't tried this Molecular Repair Hair Oil, which is this guy. Let me see how it looks inside. Oh, this is a cute little bottle. So let me see. It has 24 hours freeze control, clinically proven to repair damaged hair, 450 Fahrenheit heat protection, silicone-free. Apply to damp towel dried hair before styling or on dry hair as a finisher. Highly concentrated formula. Start with 1 to 3 drops and build as needed. Wow, I'm excited. I really want to try it, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You already know how to apply this guy, right? I don't have to explain. So you using it as a conditioner, like you wash your hair with a shampoo and then you don't use conditioner, because this is going to be your conditioner, and you only need like one pump, and like add more if you need it. Honestly, look at my hair. I have very long and thick hair right now, so I use about 10 pumps. I shouldn't, right? It's too much product. But apply it all over, leave it for 4 minutes to activate, and don't rinse it out. That's all. Use for 4-6 washes, then as needed. I'm about to start using this guy as well because it's getting hot outside and my hair is getting drier, and I have to control all that things. What else? Oh, the other HAIRCARE does. Blond Strengthening Oil Concentrate helps hair recover from bleaching or lightening damage for a soft and shiny blonde. Apply 1 or 2 pumps on wet or dry hair or leave in. Yeah, this product, I've used it back when I was working at Sephora. Like every morning when I was going to work, I was just using the tester and applied it on my hair. It smells really good, and it's just very like, your hair does not look oily, but stays hydrated and shiny, if it makes sense. So I do like HAIRCARE products a lot. Here is Superfood Glove Oil, and when I look at it, it makes me smile because I already took this product to my Miami trip last week, and it was amazing. It helped me, but it did not save my skin out of being sunburned on one side. For some reason, I don't know, I'm terrible at tanning, so yeah. But at least me and my girls were using it for our faces and bodies, and as you can see, we did not use much. For 3 people, that was nothing, but we used it for like 4 days, so that's kind of cool. I love Supergoop, and I definitely love this oil because I have a dry skin. Again, everything is dry, my hair and my skin, that's how I am. Probably should take these glasses off. Hi. And yeah, so this oil is literally a lifesaver for my trip. I'm so happy I didn't forget it. Superfood cleanser by Used to the People, which is refill. That's why it's a huge bottle. Honestly, I already have the refill, same exact bottle, and I still have like this much of a product, but I was like, listen, this is saving event and I always need my cleanser. So I think that was a smart purchase, at least on this one, to, you know, I would never be out of my cleanser because this is literally the best cleanser I've had for a long time. Like, since I got Used to the People at the beginning of the year, I don't want to switch to anything else. And I normally do, like, as soon as I'm out of one regular bottle of cleanser, I'm going to another one, and not with this one. For some reason, like, I want to stay with this guy for a while. And yeah, good job, Used to the People. Then I got, oh, this is something new I want to try because I love to do body products, and this is Tasha. This is Hinoki body wash, and I don't know how did that happen, but I just got out of my body wash, and this is the one I wanted, I guess. Cleans and exfoliate with this body scrub for visible, smoother, renewed skin. Honestly, I want to smell it. It looks pretty cool. I usually have, like, I kind of have sensitive skin, so I'm using First Aid Beauty body scrub, but this one seems very gentle too. It does smell like a plant-based. I love it. It smells like Tasha products, you know. It's pretty. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Nice. No, I'm so happy about it. What's next? What's next? Like, let's still stay here with skincare, and I have Sunday Riley After Correct Eye Cream. Honestly, I've been using this one too. I love it, and I used to have the one like on a tube for a while, the After Correct, and the one what is it, the 5-star retinol one for the nighttime, and I loved both. I was just switching, and this one is just always on top of all the eye creams I've had, and I was like, why not? Why not? After Correct. It's brightening and depuffing on the eye area. You can use it in the morning and the night. It works really well before you apply new makeup on, so definitely a great product to use for daily basis. Then I got this mini lash set by Grande. It's for lashes and the eyebrows. And let me tell you a little secret. I normally, like, when I get a set of the full or small sizes of the Grandes with lash and brows, I normally never apply my eyebrow serum on the eyebrows. I keep it for the lashes as well. That's why everyone gives me compliments about my lashes, because my lashes are pretty long right now. I've been using serum for a while. Probably gonna take a break in a minute, but I have this travel version, which saves my space, but also it takes forever to use it. This one is for 4 weeks. So this little guy's for a month of using, and trust me, and I'm talking about just like one product, just for the lash one, and for the eyebrows it's another 4 weeks. So you have 2 months of the serum for your lashes here, and let me tell you, you're gonna be obsessed with it. Your lashes gonna grow fast and beautiful. It will be long and curly, just like you want it. So yeah, just stay consistent with it. Like, you literally have to be consistent, apply it every night, and you will see an amazing result. So here I have a couple brush cleansers. One is Sephora collection, one is Beauty Blender. And Beauty Blender, normally I'm getting like a huge charcoal, and I don't know, I just couldn't see it in the store because I had some stuff from the store. So I had a small one, but I really need to go get the big one, because honestly it is the best brush cleansers and sponge cleansers for me. I don't know, like, I couldn't find anything better, any other shampoos, nothing cleans my tools better than Beauty Blender. No, even though their blenders are not my favorites, but their brush cleansers and blender cleansers are the best for me. And I got the Shiseido Retinol Eye Mask. I already used one, and I'm not gonna lie, it's amazing. I applied it for 15 minutes as the instructions said. I put it in the fridge before to keep like a little cooling effect, to depuff my under eye area, and I applied it in the evening. And trust me, when I woke up in the morning, my eyes were looking gorgeous, flawless, and smooth and hydrated and rested. So definitely something you should try. It's also one of my favorite skincare brands. Shiseido Pure Retinol, check it out. And finally, we start talking about makeup. I just found out that I don't have that many makeup stuff, but something I really wanted to try. And I'll start with this Buxom kit of 4 different lip plumpers. Well, this is Dolly. I don't know if you guys can see it well. Beautiful. This is Gabby. Here is Kanani. And that's kind of like matching my nails right now, so I kind of want to apply it now. Just a little bit. It tastes like candies. I love it. Ooh, and it's plumping. It's plumping, baby. And White Russian Sparkle, which is more of a nude, but still with the glitters. I love it. All right, this summer is going to be plumping inside and out. I got this also mini kit of Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. You know what? I had the full size of Pillow Talk lipstick back when I was working at Sephora, and I have no idea what happened. I searched, like, I know 100% that I had the full size lipstick because they mark all the products that they give it to you as a credit. And I looked all over my lip collection and I didn't find it. Unfortunately, I lost it somehow, maybe when I was traveling or moving, I don't know. But it was exactly just like this, but the big one. Oh, this is beautiful shade, and honestly it fits everyone, and I'm so glad I have a liner too. And honestly, for me it's a smart move to buy like a small kit of lipsticks, because I normally never finish my lip liners or lipsticks, so why would I like waste my space and money for that? The small travel kits are lifesavers and the budget savers for sure. Then I got this Rare Beauty. Finally, I don't have any, like, believe me or not, but I don't have anything from Rare Beauty. That's how terrible I was spending my money as an employee at Sephora. Like, I should have got a lot more stuff and I didn't. So here's Enlighten highlighter, liquid highlighter. I wanted it for so long, and I just didn't know that I want Rare Beauty one until I started searching, and I found out that, yeah, this is one of the best liquid highlighters. The same as I love, what is it? Icon London or something. You know what I'm talking about, the one with the pump. Okay, I'm not sure if I got the right shade or not, but Fenty, the most popular TikTok trendy lipstick. This one is in the shade 01, the MVP. So I don't know, I think that was another one that was a trendy one, but I got it and it looks amazing. I will definitely join that TikTok trend. Why not? I got new creamy bronzer by Love Yourself, Elise. I love this brand. I try to work with them as much as I can. I love their packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Mine is in the shade Light. Ooh, wow. It's really, really creamy, and I already messed it up. Of course. Let me see. Ooh, it blends so well. Just look at this. This is definitely my shade, and it's so smooth. Beautiful. Yay, I'm happy. I'm already happy about it. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Finally, right? Primes and sets for up to 16 hours. We all know, I'm pretty sure everyone has this spray. I don't until now, and I'm so happy to have it finally. Yay. And the last one, but not the least, we have the Makeup Forever, their new Twist and Light Setting Losing Powder. Honestly, I didn't even see it in the stores yet. I only saw it online, and I was like, I'll take it, I'll need it, before the stores got them. Not sure how to use it because you literally have to twist it somehow. And yeah, I tried before, and yeah, that's how it looks like inside. It's beautiful. It's like Givenchy one, but it's a 3 shades here. It doesn't have the green one, as you noticed, but it's in the light shade, so technically it should work for my skin. I just have to figure out how to twist it, and how to use it. That's all, guys. I mean, that's a lot, right? It's a lot of money here for sure. A lot of money I spent. But honestly, it's worth it. The summer is coming. I know that I'm gonna be using all these products. I'm out of a lot of stuff, so I really needed all that. And if you count, like, I haven't been spending money at Sephora for like 6 months, and then there was a big saving event, and I just got everything I needed. So it actually makes sense, you know, like I'm trying not to overcharge myself for as many products, as much money that I'm spending. But with some of these products, I'm gonna do like individual videos just to play around, like this Lash exfoliator for the body. It's like, I'm very curious how to like apply it on my skin and how it's gonna work for my skin. So I want to do the video with that one. I want to show you what is it, the Fenty Beauty lipstick. I want to show you the LYC bronzer. I want to show you what else. We have the hair products by K18 after like take a shower and take care of my hair. So yeah, I mean, I need to use all this stuff because I'm out of the rest, but also I want to show you how those products works on me, because first of all, I'm already like used to these products, or there is something I heard about and I can trust those reviews, and I definitely know that it's gonna work for me or not. We'll find out. So stay with me. Thank you so much for watching. Follow this channel, subscribe this channel for more of a shorts videos. Like I try to post them at least every other day, and with the big vlogs I'll try to be better this summer and post a lot more, as long as you guys following, subscribing, sharing, and supporting. This is all I need. Thank you.